The 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power tilt sliding sunroof, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.